Hi everyone, this is Thawdan, second year MSc student in computer science, Manasa Gangotri University of Mysore. Today I'm going to explain about cloud computing, like basic concepts about this topic. First, we are going through the definition, which is the delivery of computing as a service rather than as a product, whereby shared resources, software, and information are provided to computers and other devices as a metered service over a network. Cloud computing provides computations, software, data access, and storage resources without requiring cloud users to know the location and other details of the computing infrastructures. Also, end users access cloud-based applications through a web browser or mobile application, while the business software and data are stored on a servers at a remote location. Cloud application providers strive to give the same or better services and performance as if the software programs were installed locally on end-user computers. Cloud computer components correspond to platforms such as front-end, back-end, and cloud-dependent delivery, and they utilize network. So, a framework of a cloud computing is broadly categorized as three parts. First one is clients, second is distributed servers, and third one is data center. Clients in cloud computing are in general to the operation of local area networks, which is LAN. They are just the desktops where they have their place on desks. They might be also in the form of laptops, mobile, tablets. Clients hold the responsibility of interaction with pushes for the management of data on cloud servers. Data center, it's an array of servers that house the subscribed application. Progressing the IT industry has brought the concept of virtualizing servers, where the software might be installed through the utilization of various instances of virtual servers. This approach streamlines the process of managing dozens of virtual servers on multiple physical servers. The third one is distributed servers. These are considered as a server where that is housed in the other location. So the physical servers might not be housed in a similar location. Even the distributed server and the physical server appear to be in a different locations. They perform as they are so close to each other. Service models. First one is software as a service. Second is platform as a service. The third one is infrastructure as a service. Software as a service, this is the approach to deliver software applications over the internet, and it might be on demand or through subscription basis. It allows individuals to get connected and utilize cloud applications through the internet. Software as a service offers the feature of enhancement and operation of applications at a reduced cost. Platform as a service, this is the one service offering an on-demand atmosphere for development testing, deployment of many software applications. It serves as a cloud development environment that maintains servers. And this enables the delivery of both simple cloud applications and complex enterprises applications. Infrastructure as a service, the fundamentals classification of cloud computing service. This service allows for the rent of servers and virtual systems, networks, IT infrastructure, and storage too. It avoids the complication behind acquiring and administrating on physical servers and infrastructure. Deployment models are private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud is the most common and well-known deployment model. A public cloud is a huge data center that offers the same services to all its users. The services are accessible for everyone and such used for the consumer segments. So example of public services are for example, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and many other applications. For customers, public cloud offerings are usually free of charge. For professionals, there is usually a price. The public cloud is always hosted by a professional cloud suppliers. Next is private cloud. Private cloud, there are lots of discussion on how strict the definition of private cloud should be. In general, a customer's internally hosted data center is regarded as a private cloud. If we add virtualization and automation, such as a setup, may very well be regarded as a private cloud. A professional cloud vendor may also offer a private cloud to their customers by supporting a separate hardware environment in the data center. A private cloud is therefore most suited for sensitive data, for security means, where the customer is dependent on a certain degree of security. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a combination of both private and public. This is a setup that is much used for large companies. Some issues that we might face while using cloud computing, like privacy, security, legal, and availability. Privacy. Using a cloud services provider can complicate privacy of data because of the extent to which virtualization for cloud processing and cloud storage are used to implement cloud services. Next is security. The effectiveness and efficiency of traditional protection mechanism are being reconsidered, as the characteristics of this innovation deployment model can differ widely from those of traditional architectures. Legal. Certain legal issues arise. Everything from trademark security concerns to the sharing of proprietary data resources. In addition, providers and customers must consider legal issues such as like contracts and discovery and the related laws, which may vary by country. Next is availability. Cloud providers assure customers that they will have regular and predictable access to their data and applications. Advantages of cloud computing, like lower computer cost, improved performance, reduced software cost, instant software updates, unlimited storage capacity, increased data reliability, latest version availability, as we talked before about availability and others, device independence. Disadvantages of cloud computing is, first one is it requires like internet connection. So if you don't have internet connection, you cannot get into the cloud. Next is does not work well with low speed connection. So if you have very low speed connection of internet, you cannot access to the cloud properly. Next, can be very slow, as we talked. Stored data might not be secure, especially if you are like using public cloud. Next is stored data can be lost in case if there is a damage or anything in the cloud storage itself. This is some cloud providers. One of the most famous providers is Amazon, which has the big share. This is an example of storage of cloud computing. Conclusion. Cloud computing is a newly developing a form of distributed computing. Next, virtualization and computation with utility computing model can make a difference in the IT industry and as well as in a social perspective. So presentation finished. Any question, you can type it in the comments and I will reply as soon as possible. Thanks so much.